work and deliver our party wholeheartedly.
Amen.
Let me say Nadim, sorry, Nadikama Abiasis. But now that the time is drawing closer, I will be coming more and more. But I'm happy that Onwendi Noni who can handle the situation before I land. So Bikonu, it is time to close up every rank. Also I need no two Owelu. Also I need no two Ochei. So I need no I keep the common denominator is that you are in A.P.C. Abi? No be so? We are one and one body. I tell people we will fight, but at the proper time, we will reconcile and resolve our differences. So, I want to thank you very much for ensuring that everybody, nobody is excluded.
Yes.
Chairman, ward chairman, unit chairman, everybody, you are all involved in this because we are going as one body to fight the battle. There is no two parties. There is nobody who will say they hail this one more than the other. For the avoidance of doubt, I am not looking for anything. So I'm now happy to bring everybody together. Makowi fencho kasi okay man meli yenu egu about to ba number change bon manakita ngene anya ni shuba gwa izoku ya ile ini like that. I will tell you unu man can say bunto. Oha. But today is a day for us to celebrate on each other. I want to celebrate you all. Amagana the lineup of high table nobody from virus one my sheikh sheikh in the walk up give it kweta ijikwe Owele owo hekwe.
Awala. Onagu.
O te no ma.